All right, Rod, help me, Hank, hearing from hundreds of people battling outrageous ambulance bills.
Yeah, hundreds. And this after a local family was hit with a nearly $8,000 bill to transfer their baby from DMC Troy to DMC downtown. Hank got involved and the bill vanished.
So what can you do if you find yourself in this situation? Our concerned investigator Hank Winchester live with more on what is obviously a huge problem, Hank.
Yeah, Devin, listen, I knew it was an issue. I had no idea that so many of you are in this exact same situation. So today, some legal advice from Todd Flood to help you navigate this situation. Also, we want to show you what happened with that family that we talked with on Monday. Take a look. When we first met Neil, his wife, and baby, I had no idea so many of you were in a situation just like them, facing an enormous bill for a short, uneventful ride in an ambulance.
We emailed them several times asking for itemization or at least some indication of why it would be so high. They didn't respond for 2 months.
Their bill from Superior Ambulance, almost $8,000. We got involved, and Monday afternoon, the DMC said the bill was an error. They owed nothing. They were in shock because they had been battling for a year. I know this was incredibly stressful. I'm so happy that it's taken care of. I'm so happy.
We are so thankful to you also.
Since then, many of you emailing Help Me Hank mentioning Superior Ambulance, which no longer has a contract with Blue Cross Blue Shield here in Michigan, and that is part of the problem.
That situation that you took care of, that $8,000 bill, that seems like usury. It seems it's impossible for someone to have that charge.
Here's legal expert Todd Flood.
You need to be able to challenge the bill for the services and see if there is basically gouging that's taken place.
And if you're a patient and the hospital wants to transfer you via ambulance and it's not life-threatening, here's the advice.
Make sure that they have an ambulance service that falls within the coverage of your health care.
Back out here live, I just received a statement from the DMC regarding the Birmingham couple we profiled on Monday. It reads, when we identified this issue last spring, we quickly advised the ambulance provider that all billing and collection activity for the intra-facility transport should cease. Any payments should be refunded and intra-facility transports should be billed to the hospital. The ambulance provider confirmed they had complied with our direction. Unfortunately, it would appear some accounts were missed in their corrective action. We are actively in discussion with Superior to ensure this situation is resolved for our patients. I have repeatedly asked the DMC to sit down for an on-camera interview. So far, that is being denied. I'm waiting, available whenever you are. I should also let you know right now on clickondetroit.com more legal expert advice from Todd Flood. He talks you through the process. If you've received the bill or if you are a patient, what you should do. Tonight at 6 o'clock, another family with another big bill, this family in Farmington battling Beaumont. You're going to hear that story new tonight at the top of the hour. For now, back to you.
Yeah, and again, more than 100 people reaching out to Hank after that story initially aired.
Yeah.
Incredible. All right, we know you'll stay on it, Hank. Thanks.